Hi David, Lenae here, and I am your True Car Auto Buying Specialist. And guess what I have here? The 2019 Accord Sport that you requested. This vehicle right here, not only is it extremely stylish, but it has the Honda Sensing Suite, which is our adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and so much more. You got to come here and check this vehicle out for yourself. I would hate for you to miss out on our savings. We are having an epic sale on the Accords this week. So come on down and schedule a VIP test drive with me, David. I can be reached at 334-332-6346 at Tameron Honda of Hoover. And guess what? When you get here, you're going to love the way you're treated.